Hi guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing, guys. I got some boxes in the mail and I am so excited to bring this to you guys today here at Pollyanna. But before we do that, let's just go on ahead with some housekeeping. Don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to your girls' channel. It is Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat at Pollyanna. Guys, I bring you good, meaty, juicy content. I'm excited to bring this unboxing. It came at my doorbell rang and someone told me that I have some boxes. I know I have signed a lot of contracts with some people, so I don't know if this is one of the things that came in that I have to debut, talk about, see if I like it, I can keep it, I can purchase it. I don't know, I'm just happy to bring this content to you guys. Hope you guys like this one. So don't forget to do all that good stuff before, so you will be in the loop of what's taking place here at Pollyanna. Let's go ahead and open up this box on today, guys. I'm gonna open it up for you guys to see. Oops, almost cut myself. On camera. There we go. That's what's inside of that box. Ooh, guys, it is from Coach. Yes, Coach sent me some stuff to debut, guys. This is a perfume, a simple sampler of what this is. I'm excited about this. So let's see what else they have in the box here for me, guys. Ooh, the first wrapping. Ooh, they wrapped a belt, a Coach belt. Let's just rest that down there. So, ooh, nice. Whoa, that is interesting. This is a Coach belt. Wow. How many of you guys still wear Coach? So, I haven't worn Coach in a long time, but I'm willing to bring it to the channel. This is beautiful. Do you guys see that? How do you wear the C? Do you wear the C on the left side this way? Or do you wear the C this way? I think it's this way. Looks like it should be this way. Comment down below what side you wear the Coach belt on. But as you guys can see, so I got a belt. How long is this belt? Is there any information on it? Let me give it to you guys. Put my glasses on so a girl can see. Let's see. Let's see if there's any information here. So, oh yes, there is. So they said it is extra large. This is an extra large Coach belt. Pretty long, guys. Yeah. You can probably wear it with your jeans and stuff like that. There is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes on it. And I think if you want, you could probably make more. It's real genuine leather, they're saying. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. You see that? So comment down below. The C is supposed to go this way, or is the C supposed to go? I think it's this way, man. That's how you write a C, right? Anyhow, comment down below if you guys know. This is a lovely one that I am bringing to the channel on today. This is an extra large. So this is probably going to fit me really well. I don't know. This is what it looks like, guys. The leather on that is gorgeous. Let me bring it up close so you guys can see. Wow, that's a nice one. That's not bad at all. That looks really nice. I like this. So what's next in the box? Ooh, a lovely handbag, and then some information here. Okay, this is the information that they sent me that I need to look over. Personal stuff there, guys. So without further ado, this is a bag. Wow, this is nicely. Ooh, look, there's a Coach logo on it. Look at that. Coach of New York, that's what it says. Yeah, Coach of New York. So this is how it came. It came with this piece on the inside, nicely wrapped. I must say. And all of these other pieces around it. Yeah. This person, guys, I was like, what's that big guy ringing the doorbell? What's that? What's that? What's that? What is this here? Oh, wow. If I wish to have it, it is what? Let me get my glasses on. If I wish to have it, what is the price they have on this? They have it for $2.98. $2.98. I'm just excited I can bring you these pieces, guys. Yeah. So I guess there is a long strap and a shorter strap as well. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. Do you guys see that? That is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. There we go. Oh. Wow. So much stuff to open. Yeah, it's well and safely wrapped. This is a nice one to have. Wow, look at that, guy. Little clutch purse. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, that is gorgeous. Guys, listen. This is a nice one. And I think you can wear it with the short strap. What's that? The thing inside got caught. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's the stuffing inside. Oh, it comes with a manual. Yeah, like a little book showing its authenticity. And then more stuffing on the inside. Yeah. Wow. Listen. This is a nice one to grab, ladies and gents. This is a pretty cute one. Wow. That is pretty cute. I do like a small clutch purse sometimes. Look at that underneath there. That's a beautiful burgundy. I love that orange in the front here. And then the tag has a beautiful orange piece. And then the burgundy straps go across the top. What is this bigger piece that they sent me here? What is this here? Let me see. What is this? Oh, ladies, gents. Look at that. That is a nice piece. Look at the workmanship on that. This is a nice one. Oh, is this a keeper, boy? Is this a keeper, guys? I don't know. Price one. I love debuting these pieces, and if I wish I can keep. Listen, this is a nice one. It's pretty cute. And the strap can be extended as well, huh? It's an adjustable strap as well. So you can probably make it really, really short or long. Oh, ladies, this is a nice one. Would I use the shorter strap or the longer strap? But it's so small, though. Don't you find, ladies? It's probably, even if I'm wearing it as an evening purse, I don't think I'd use the longer strap. But it is gorgeous. The workmanship on this is beautiful, might I say. Very, very beautiful. This is a nice piece to snag. I wanted to bring it to the channel. So I was able to get some information on it to bring it to you guys, to show you guys that Coach also have some lovely pieces. This one is going for $298. $298 if you're interested in having it. You can go onto their website. It's coach.com. Guys, this piece is beautiful, really cute to knock around. It's not that expensive. Guys, don't sleep on Coach. I like the workmanship in the back here, as you guys can see that. And I do love the bottom part of the bag. I do like that as well. This is a nice one to just go out. A small clutch purse under the arm. See? There you go, and you're going. This is a nice one. Not bad at all. This is what I got in that box. So let's see what I came in the other box as well. Let me sit her right there. That's beautiful. And they sent me a sample cologne. Is it a cologne or is it ladies? Cute. Let's prop that up right there. So the next box, let's see what's in it. I hope you guys are liking my hauls. As I oftentimes say, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to our own channel, Star Pollyanna. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time a girl posts a video, or I go live, or I put out a haul like what I'm doing on today. This is a Coach haul. So, you know, if you are in the loop, if you hit the button and you are subscribed to the channel, you will know when new things are coming to Star Pollyanna's channel. I love to bring all sorts of beautiful pieces to this channel for you guys, so that then you guys can go and make an informed decision if you like to purchase something like that. You know, you never know. Came with this inside. Ooh, what is this they send me? There we go. More paperwork inside, empty box. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? Listen, this is a size 8. Size 8. It is a slide. Yes. Ooh, look at that, ladies. They have the cells in the bag. It has some more wrapping and it has a card inside. What's that? Information about Coach, information about the slides, I believe, and how Coach came about to be Coach. Look at that, nicely wrapped. Ooh. Very, very professionally wrapped. Take that off. Take that out. Yes. Guys, look at this. Ooh, ladies, this is beautiful. Let's see if that can fit. This is an 8. Wow, let me show it to you guys. Look at that today. Coming to the channel. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with that. How much was this one? I just how much? Oh, it's so soft in here. On top here is very soft. Wow. How much is that? Let me see. How much is this? How much are these going for? Let me see. You know, I bring you guys all of the information all of the time. These are going for, what is that? $89.60. $89.60 if you're interested in picking this up one. Coach has a big sale going on right now. You cannot go wrong. This is beautiful. Let me see how it looks on my feet. Let me see how it looks on my feet. Is it comfortable or not? Yeah, this is a nice one. This might be a keeper, ladies and gents. This might be a keeper. As you guys can see on the screen, that is what it looks like. It fits me very, very comfortable. Somehow my feet go all the way out in it though. I don't like that. So probably I'll have to wear it with a socks, and then it will be a little bit more comfortable. But other than that, I love the comfort of the inside. On the inside when I'm wearing it, right here, the inside of that, the comfort of that part, I love it. Let me pan that camera down so you guys can see that as well. This is so beautiful. Take a look at that, guys. Look at the workmanship on that. Also, there is the Coach logo at the bottom, so it's the authentic one. This happens to be a size 8. So if you're a size 8, I would say grab yourself the 7.5 there about. No, you know what? Grab the 8. I would say grab the 8 because it fits my whole feet. It's just this part here is a lot wide, so my feet is coming all the way through, as you can see on the screen. Why that is, I don't know. My feet are very narrow. I probably should have taken, or I probably should have told them send me an 8B instead of an 8M. I made that mistake. There, it was an 8. Yes, but if I wear, yeah, this is an 8B. Maybe I should have taken the 8M. I don't know. But tell me what you think, guys, if you pick this up. Tell me if you like it. Yes, no, what you think about it. I think it's pretty comfortable. But if you're interested in having them, They are going for $89 from Coach, $89.60 from Coach. $89.60 from Coach. So if you're interested, guys, don't forget to just go on down. All of the information will be in my description. All you gotta do is click on the information in the description. It will take you straight to the website so that you too can purchase, or you too can get, or you can snag one of this for the summer. These are lovely. So if you have this and you have like the matching bag with that and the belt on, oh ladies, that is so cute. That is so cute. That is so cute. Guys, once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys like what I did. I hope you guys like what I do here at Star Pollyanna. I try to bring as much content as possible so that it will be pleasing to you guys. Things that you can also pick up if you are interested in picking it up. This is a lovely one. I really, really like this as well. So it's a little big to the front here when my feet is sliding out. But I think with some socks on, or when it's cold outside, it wouldn't be a problem. I hope you guys like this one on today. This was my Coach haul. I was very, very blessed to bring these 3 pieces to you guys. I hope you guys appreciate that one on today. This was my Coach haul. Guys, don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section what you think. If you think you'll pick 1 or 2 of this up. Guys, this is a really nice. What I like about it too, they all match up. So if you're wearing the belt, you have the little clutch purse, and you have the slides on, it's not a problem. They also have other bigger handbags. They have also different pairs of slides. There was a really lovely red and colorful one, but this is what I was sent. So I just hope you guys appreciate this haul as well. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section if you will go pick yourself up one as well. Until we meet again inside Star Pollyanna channel, remember I post videos every Sunday at 8 p.m. This was another haul. It was a really beautiful Coach haul. So until we meet again, guys, don't forget, follow me on my social media platform, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, all at Star Pollyanna. Love you guys. Until we meet again next Sunday with another haul. Shop with me, whatever it is, guys. Love you guys so much. Take care. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.